Hello, I'm Sandra Spencer. I'm the Executive Director of the National Federation of Families for Children's Mental Health. And I'm coming today to offer you a personal invitation to join us for our 25th National Federation Annual Conference. That's right, this is the 25th anniversary of the Federation of Families. Come to the conference and you will get over 75 3-hour, 60-minute, or 90-minute workshops full of important information for you to share and take back home to your community. We also have some very exciting pre-conference events. On Wednesday, we have Policy Day, and we're going to do something very different this year. We're going to have strategy sessions to let you know what's currently going on in our nations in the political realm, because we know that this is a very important year and there's a lot going on in politics. We also will be having our Parent Support Provider Certification Institute. We want to give you updates on what's happening with Parent Support Provider Certification. We want to present to you the outcome of our PSP demonstration project, so you don't want to miss Parent Support Provider Institute. Also, we're going to be doing mental health first aid training and some family leadership training on our Pre-Institutes Day. So mark your calendars for November 21st to 23rd, which is the main conference, and I will see all of you in Washington, D.C.